This is Bryson's car. He found it, traded a dirt bike for it, and dragged it home on a trailer. He then spent nearly a year trying to get it to run. And then he left. He's gone for 2 years, and he really has no idea what I've been doing. I started with the engine because no car is worth its salt if it doesn't run. First, I just made it run, and then I pursued making it run well. I went through other mechanical items, wiring, brakes, suspension, wheels, and everything else I could think of to make the car reliable as a daily driver. I've been driving it myself for over a year, and with only a couple of rare exceptions, it hasn't let me down. So I'm feeling good about the mechanicals. And fortunately, the outside temperatures have been conducive to primer and paint, so I've been working as fast as I can to get that done. But I'm getting nervous about the finished product because Bryson's 2 years are nearly up. We're counting down his return in weeks, and I have a lot of work to do.
Since this is a color change operation, the doors have to come into pieces.
Well, we got to get the glass out. To get the glass out, we have to bring it down about halfway. To get it down halfway, I got to get power to it.
The innards can stay because the door panel covers the inside of the panel. The door jambs up around the window and all the weather stripping, all that gets painted a different color. So it kind of has to come apart. And as tedious as that is, I don't really see a way around it. The other problem is most of this stuff can't be reused. Once you pull it off, it gets destroyed, partially because it's old and weathered, and partially just because that's the way this stuff is. It tends to be used once, throw away. It's not really designed to come on and off. Fortunately, these parts are available. Most of them, interestingly enough, come straight out of Japan for less money than you can buy them locally. So I'll get those ordered while these are taken apart and being painted. Hopefully they'll be here by the time we're ready for them. Boy, I feel like I got a lot of work to do.
All right. Now I just got to tape that off. And that side's golden. Just wavy, wavy. Yeah, it's going to take some serious glazing on that one. Well, probably I need to take this outside and hit it with the DA.
Well, the doors have all been prepped, at least as much as I can. Headed into the first coat of primer. And I've been over the hood and block sanded the first coat of primer. So it's ready for coat number 2. The plan is to hit both of those, hopefully in one go. I actually don't think I want primer on those edges. It may not matter, but the way the window trim clamps on to this metal might make it a little bit problematic if the extra thickness of the primer gets in the way. And since there's really no reason to do any surfacing work in these areas, there's also no reason really to have any primer on it. So, for the avoidance of doubt, we will tape those off. It may not make any difference in the end, but I think all things considered, I'd probably rather not have that section be covered in primer. That went on well. Very nice. All right. Dang, that looks good. Oh, I forgot to put my mask on. Well, ain't no stopping me now. Dang, how long can I hold my breath? I hate when that happens. I feel like I'm kind of on a roll too, like just laying down so nice. I hate to quit. Crap. I'm not gonna have enough. What do you do? All right, go time. Well, that went on really, really well. I got a couple little dust nibs. I had like a cotton ball land right here. Hey, it's round 2 on the hood. I'm kind of particular about the hood, so I knew it was going to need 2 rounds. I'm hoping the doors don't need 2 rounds because frankly I'm running a little bit low on primer. What it comes down to is just how much of a perfectionist you think you need to be.